Namaste India, Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Like and share. Salamat.
Good evening guys! Magandang gabi! Sa inyo magandang gabi!
Magandang gabi.
Naghapunan na ba kayo guys? We are having dinner now but we are trying to order takeaway online. So Madam Shama find out takeaway restaurant and we will check if their food is yummy. So let's order now and let's see if their food is very delicious.
So guys, this is the Cafe Boulevard from where we are going to order. We plan this non-veg thali, yeah?
Non-veg thali.
Yeah. In non-veg thali, they said chicken tikka, chicken biryani,
Oh.
mutton sheikh kebab, fish mahi tikka, veg raita, mint chutney, and masala peanut, and one gulab jamun. Maybe.
So in for 350 so many dishes, yeah?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
It's like from starter, main course, and
Everything.
sweet. Okay.
Yes.
Right. And now you're
Now
ordering.
I will order this veg thali.
Okay.
In veg thali, there is a paneer lavabdar, mixed vegetable, dal fry, jeera rice, 4 button pulka means chapati, papadam, and salad and gulab jamun.
Oh, let's look guys, it's look yummy. So let's see kung masarap nga yung pinagyayabang nilang yan.
We will do. So I'm going
So how much is this?
648.
This is 299.
Yeah.
So all in all 648
Here
rupees.
it will show 2 items. 2 items is 648.
648.
So guys, here is our delivery.
Ketla?
Bimbo is getting food.
So guys, dumating na ang aming takeaway from
Zomato.
700 total, yeah?
Yeah.
Rupees.
Because they calculate tax as well.
With tax, that's why 700. Okay, you mate, keep the change.
Thank you, brother.
So guys, dumating na ang aming dinner. Look the quality and so the quantity. Oh, this is the veg, yeah?
Veg.
This restaurant is Boulevard Luxury Resort and Spa. Okay. So they provide spoon and this is sauce, yeah? Sauce.
That is sauce?
This is mixed vegetable pickle. And
that is pickle.
Yeah, pickle. At least they have pickle. And they provide as well salt and pepper. So this one is for Madam Shama. For veg. What is this? Veg thali?
Veg thali. Thali means dish.
This, veg
Dish.
thali.
Thali is Hindi word.
Okay. And
Thali
this
means
is non-veg. Look guys, Oh. This cost me 350 rupees, yeah?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Then your is 299.
99.
But including tax, we paid 700 rupees.
700,
So
yes.
guys, let's see yung quantity and quality ng food na to kung okay ba, yeah? Let's start eating na guys. Kumain na ba kayo? So guys, let's see what is inside of this non-veg thali. Oh, wow! Look! Look at that! Tinay, come here! So guys, look at the quantity for 350 rupees only. Yeah? There is, this is peanut, but I don't know how it's called. Shama, what is this?
Roasted peanut.
Roasted peanut, yeah? This is the starter. And they have as well this
Yogurt.
And this is the starter. Yogurt and this peanut. And this sauce is for, what is this, Shama?
This is kebab.
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 Oh,
Yes.
kebab. And this one is
Fish tikka.
Fish tikka.
Yes.
And this is kebab.
Kebab.
This sauce is for kebab, yeah?
Yes.
And this is what's this?
Chicken tikka.
Chicken tikka.
This
there
is fish tikka and that is chicken tikka.
And what is this?
This is chicken biryani.
Really?
Yes.
Chicken biryani including?
Chicken biryani.
Oh guys, look, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all in all, 7.
7.
And this is sauce. All in all is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Mm.
For 350. This is like 233 pesos only. Look. For me, the quantity is very good. Compared to
But-
price, yeah? Very cheap. But let's see the quality.
Quality.
You know, if it's delicious or no. So let's see, guys. How about your shama, your non-veg thali? Sorry, you prepared veg. So let's see. Madam Shama paid this for 299 rupees. Oh!
So I got same peanut like you.
Yes.
I got papadam.
Papadam.
This is, I don't know, there is vegetable.
I think
this is
paneer.
No, this is mixed vegetable.
Next vegetable.
And this one is paneer. You can see
with
inside.
paneer.
Yeah. And this is tadka dal.
Tarkadal.
And this called
What is this?
pulka. It means
Pulka?
chapati. Pulka.
There is chapati, roti.
Four
Roti Gujarati.
chapati.
4
And
pieces?
4 pieces. And I got same like you.
Gulab jamun.
One gulab jamun.
This is, yeah, I got as well here, gulab jamun.
One sweet dish.
There is a starter, main course, and
It is included
dessert,
in
yeah?
the all.
For 299.
Yes,
What do you think? The quantity for the price?
For me, according to the quantity, price is good.
Yeah.
But let's see the quality.
The quality, the taste, yeah?
We'll taste it.
And you give them instruction, not spicy, yeah?
Yes, special instruction because even though I'm Indian, I can't eat very spicy
but-
food.
Yeah, so let's see.
It should be
They-
delicious, not too much spicy.
Let's see. So guys, let's start now this peanut, the starter. Yeah, not really good.
Spicy or it's
Not-
okay?
Not that spicy. It's okay for me.
Mm.
But with fresh coriander and this, I think this masala or whatever, it's nice. And look, the quantity, medium. And this one, this yogurt, because yogurt is,
I like this yogurt.
if you eat spicy, this will help, yeah, to
It will reduce the spice.
spiciness. Very fresh yogurt.
Tasty.
Yeah,
It has
tasty.
different taste, yeah.
Yeah, they, I think they put little bit lemon as well here. Yeah.
And they add little bit seed as well.
Indian always eat with yogurt. With
Or
yogurt.
buttermilk.
Buttermilk. Yeah, this is nice. And how
So that
about
is
this?
good review.
This pistika. This pistika. Look, guys, oh. Oh, very. This look yummy. What kind of fish is this? Very soft.
Very soft. Spicy
Not spicy. This is not spicy. This pistika.
fish.
Look guys, honestly, masarap talaga tong pistika na to. I like it. And no bones, all meat. All meat. How about this?
Fish tikka should be without bone.
Yeah.
Just meat.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, I don't know that. And this chicken tikka. This tikka means like barbecue. They cook on
On the
charcoal.
charcoal. Yes.
Fresh. Look guys, chicken tikka. But the quantity and the quality, for me this is
Nice.
I mean, yeah, you can find out this is bit Post restaurant. Yeah, Post restaurant. Very delicious tikka, chicken tikka.
It has flavor.
And meat is really cooked.
Soft.
Not the, sometimes they cook half. What I mean is
Very fast cooking,
Yeah,
so
fast
it is
cooking.
not well cooked.
inside is not that cooked. But this one you can
Cook.
Yeah, well cooked. Yeah, that is what I mean. Very well cooked. Inside and outside.
So portion is good for fish tikka
Mm.
and chicken tikka, yeah?
And how about this? Look, guys.
This is kebab.
Kebab. Kebab is what is this? I think this is mutton. Yeah?
Mutton kebab.
Mutton kebab.
It is means like a sausage, but they marinate with Indian spice.
But this is not cooked by charcoal. This is cooked by oven. I think.
They do on charcoal, as well sometimes.
Oh,
Yeah.
but they marinated.
But
it.
I'm not sure about this. They cook on charcoal, but definitely kebab.
Kebab.
Nice.
Bit strong.
Strong.
Strong taste.
Yes, kebab.
This
Kebab always has strong taste.
I think this is like Muslim recipe, yeah?
Yes. They
Mixed
marinate too much Indian spice for with
For this
kebab.
one, yeah?
Yes.
That-
And marinate for many hours.
but very delicious as well.
Delicious.
But bit
How is this
strong.
chutney?
Chutney is good.
Strong?
What is this chutney? This is... What
This
is
is chili, coriander,
Coriander. Guys. My God.
green chutney.
How about this?
This is.
Let's try now this chicken biryani.
It has
and
meat.
Look.
It has meat.
Yeah, meat. Oh, one. My God, for 350 rupees. This is good. Oh, dear. Let's try this na. Let's try this na, ha? Yeah. Perfect.
Nice.
Honestly, review. Their food is very delicious. It's very delicious. It's like mom cook biryani.
Ah,
yeah, It's
really?
like homemade.
Homemade.
It's not like for business. And it's not spicy.
No spicy.
No.
Because I
Only
give
this
them
one. Only this one is a bit spicy.
spicy.
But this one is good.
I give them special instruction. You know, we don't eat very
And
spicy.
meat, so many. For 350, look guys, 233 pesos. So now, for me this is 5 star.
5 star.
5 star, kaya napakasarap. Napakasarap. Hindi nalugi sa 350 rupees. 233 pesos. Talagang mapapa-order uli next time pag ganito.
You can advise to order.
Yeah, people here from Najd, you can order this. It's not expensive for the
How about
quantity.
sweet? Gulab jamun.
Definitely, this is
Definitely
very delicious.
delicious.
Imagine, no? Starter, main course, and you got this desserts, gulab jamun.
Gulab
That's
jamun
it.
is Shanaya's favorite.
Nina's
Your
favorite.
favorite, Shanaya?
Yeah. Look, I will give quick to Nina. Look, Nina, gulab jamun. Oh, the...
Nice, Shanaya? Oh, she like gulab jamun
Now,
very
how about
much.
yours? This is veg tali. So, Madam Shama na ma'am. So, we know this.
This is peanut.
Yeah, we have same with me.
But
And...
I will do quick review.
Okay. So, Nine, about Nine.
What is that? For Shana, it is spicy.
For Nine, spicy. Sorry, Nine. And now, this is
I got delicious papadum.
Papadam. Complete. Papadam with papadam. Let me taste as well,
Papadam is
papadam.
okay, yeah.
Papadam. 299 rupees only.
Yes.
Hmm.
Now I'm going to taste because starter is one only.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
But no, you got this papadam as well.
yeah,
This
papadum
part
is
of- yeah.
all right.
Alright.
I will do this mixed vegetable.
Mixed vegetable, yeah?
Let's try. It's little bit sweet, Gujarati style.
Sweetness.
It has a sweetness.
Look, Nini like it as well.
You like it?
This is a mixed vegetable, yeah? And how about this one? This is,
This is-
dal.
No, paneer.
No, this one.
That is dal with rice lastly.
Lastly, yeah, but if it's veg, dal with rice, lastly.
This
And this is paneer. We eat this in hotel, yeah?
You want?
Paneer is okay?
Paneer is okay.
This is our dinner when we were in Statue of Unity, yeah? Vegetable dinner.
For me, it is little bit still spicy, very spicy.
Really?
Yeah.
For you.
Yeah, they prepare spicy, Shana.
No.
For Nini, it's not
No.
that spicy.
For me, they prepare little bit spicy.
How about
I
this?
give them special instruction, no very spicy.
But still a little bit spicy.
Yeah.
Alright. How about this? This rice is rice jeera, yeah? Jeera rice.
Jeera rice.
With coriander,
Yes.
fresh coriander.
And I'm adding dal.
This is
inside.
for 299. For me, for 299, the value is good.
I'm eating dal and rice.
Dal and rice now.
Dal and rice is perfect.
So, madam, how is your veg thali for 299?
For me, for 299 is okay. Yeah, okay, because they have 2 vegetable, dal, rice, chapati.
You mean what mean okay? Cheap or expensive or moderate?
It is moderate.
Mm,
Yeah,
alright.
people can. Quantity is good
Hmm.
and quality wise is good.
Mm.
Yeah.
You want this dal?
Yeah.
Sarap.
Tati?
Venus kebab.
Hmm.
But Madam Shama prepare veg and niner.
Hmm.
To all na jadi, try to order this food from Boulevard
9.
9.
Hmm.
Mm.
Are you enjoying Shania or spicy for you?
I'm enjoying.
Enjoying? So that is good.
Mm.
Guys, taog talaga ang aming in-order na this non-veg thali. At I really enjoyed. Sobrang sarap talaga ng non-veg thali na to. So compare sa minsan kasi we ordered takeaway from outside chicken curry. It's just like this guys, one container it costs 250 without rice. So this one is we call it complete ricados. All in all, starter, main course with dessert. So I'm really happy with this dinner. Mauulit pa uli, mauulit pa. So how about your Madam Shama?
So I have finished my dinner as well, and it is good, except it was very spicy for me. And also one suggestion, instead of peanut, they can put more salad.
Or salad?
Yes.
You mean vegetable salad?
Vegetable salad, because tomato, cucumber, everything is very cheap here.
Yeah,
And
it's a good idea.
with dal, rice, papdam, you have salad, so it will increase your digestion. It will help. So I enjoy, guys. Thank you very much.
Guys, may nagpapa-shoutout nga pala from Mylene Mai. Hello pa shoutout po. Oro family and Sicharon family from South Cotabato, Mindanao. First again, shoutout po sa next vlog. God bless. Nice vlog as always. Thank you from James Arvin Canonizado. And this one is from Linda Baroga. Shoutout po sa next vlog. Hello Linda. Shoutout Charity Mirajos from Abu Dhabi. And special shoutout nga pala kay Lizzie and husband from Dubai. Thank you very much Lizzie and husband for helping my family. Really appreciate your help. And also shoutout po sa next vlog si Marian Ulayaw from Lipa City, Batangas, working in Qatar. Guys, the last one is from Ronaldin Esparenas. Hi kuya, pa shoutout from Dubai. Lagi kaming nanonood ng vlog nyo. So guys, we really enjoyed our dinner. Hope you enjoy your dinner too. Thank you very much for supporting Bimbo Cornejo Vlog, for subscribe, like, and share. And please keep following us on Facebook page and Instagram. Have a nice dinner. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you in our next vlog.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.